In the past years, expectations for public administrators to involve citizens in their processes have grown immensely. However, public administration often lacks the knowledge or the tools to do so in a meaningful way. So we need to equip more public administrators with expert knowledge and skills needed in citizen participation that they can then pass on to their peers and in their institutions. The training targets public officials from all governmental levels, from local to regional to national level. If you do have the experience in participatory processes, in co-creation and deliberation, and you would like to become a trainer yourself, this is the right course for you. This training will provide you with a hands-on guide on how to train officials in public administration, on how to implement deliberative and co-creation processes, as well as how to use the outcomes in a systematic way. You will learn how to convey advanced training material put together by experts in the field of citizen engagement. You will also learn how to adapt this material according to the specific needs of public officials or specific constraints. You will learn from experienced trainers who have carried out participatory processes in various contexts at all governmental levels. You will also receive extensive material to prepare your training, such as a PowerPoint presentation, an annotated agenda, exercises, or references to further literature. Are you curious to learn more? Please register and join us for the course.